All right, let's talk about playing melodies on this thing. So I have a sample loaded up right here in the main mode, right? And I have it in the key of the beat that I did on here, right? So what I want to do is hit 16 levels, and now I got melody. And now you can change that tuning to make sure that it's where the note you want it to be at. So you just hit tune in the middle button there. And so I like to rehearse the melody I'm going to play. So let's just kind of feel it real quick. So again, I just did a mistake there, but we just got to hit the undo, shift undo. And because we don't have set scales on here, so we just got to be creative with the limitations. So I'll just put that down. 1, 2, 3, and. Got that. We hit 16 levels to come out of it, and now we're back on the main sample page, which works alongside the sequence page. And we can do some muting. And then you can mix that piano wherever you want into the mix using that slider right there. So some limitations that we have, we can't do chords. So even though you can't put that on tape, sorry. And you run into a little bit of the polyphony limitations that this has, but it would be cool to do that. Now the workaround for that would be for me to copy that piano and then do other notes of polyphony. That's a little long-winded, but can be done. But I think it's still cool. So back to the sequence. Go to my mute. Play around with the effects, you know how that goes. And you're back. So that's how you put melodies on here. No, you can't do chords. I haven't tried out MIDI yet, but I will find a way to hook this up MIDI. Right now we can't use our Akai MPK4 MIDI controllers, Mark IV MIDI controllers directly in this. It is not a bus power situation there, though I do think that MIDI does come in via the MIDI DIN adapters or Type C, right? But we're going to talk more about this. Let me know if you got any questions. I got this thing fired up. I'm having fun with it. And let me know what you guys think. See you in the next video.